Good day, everyone. Let me ask you a question. How many of you sleep for at least 8 hours last night? Be honest, if your answer is no, do not worry. You are definitely not alone. Many students today sacrifice sleep to finish schoolwork, scroll through social media, play games, or watch videos late into the night. At first, it may seem harmless. You might think it is one night or I can still function tomorrow. The truth is, lack of sleep has serious consequences, not just for your body, but especially for your sleep and your mind. When you do not get sleep, your memory and focus are affected. Have you ever tried to listen in class, could not concentrate? Maybe you studied that night before, but during the test you suddenly forget everything. That is because sleep plays a role in how our brain processes and stores information. Without rest, it becomes harder to learn, understand, and remember lessons about sleep. Aside from performance, lack of sleep also affected your mood and behavior. You may feel more irritable, stressed, or easily overwhelmed. Small problems can feel bigger than they really are. Over time, this can affect your relationship with friends, classmates, classmates, and even family members. On the hand, students who get enough sleep tend to perform better in school. They are more alert, more focused, and more active during class discussions. They also have energy throughout the day and are better at managing their emotions. About sleeps, sleep is not a waste of time. It is necessity. Think of it this way. Your body is like a phone. No matter how advanced it is, it will not function properly if it is always low on battery. Sleep is your way of recharging. While you rest, your brain is actually very active. It processes everything you learn, strengthens your memory, restores your energy for the next day. So now, the question is, what can we do to improve our sleep? First, practice good time management. Avoid cramming everything at the minute. When you plan your task ahead of time, you reduce the need to stay up late and sacrifice sleep. And second, limit your use of gadget before bedtime. The light from phones and screen can trick your brain into thinking it is still daytime, making it harder for you to fall asleep and get sleep. Third, try to follow sleep schedule. Go to bed, wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, if possible. This help your body develop a routine for sleep. And lastly, create a sleeping environment. A quiet, dark, and cool space can help improve the quality of your sleep. I stronger I strongly encourage all of you to start prioritizing your rest and your sleep. Remember, staying up all night does not guarantee success. In fact, it often does the opposite. Taking care of your health, your sleep is one of the smartest things you can do as a student, because at the end of the day, success does not come from pushing yourself until you're exhausted. It comes from making care of yourself and your sleep so you can perform at your best. Thank you.